Good morning, friends. Today we are learning about the tongue, nalige, the tongue, which is a sensory organ. The fourth one is tongue. We have studied the skin, the eye, the ear, and now today we are going to study the tongue. Tongue is also a sensory organ which senses the taste that we take inside the mouth. The food taken inside the buccal cavity is tasted by the sensory organs of the tongue. Hence, the tongue is also called a sensory organ. So, the sense of taste is located in the tongue. Means the tongue is also a sense organ. Point number 2, the sense of taste is also called gestation. Sense of taste is also called gestation. Next point, there are 4 basic tastes called bitter, taste star. The one is bitter, the second is sweet, the third is sour, and the fourth is salt. There are 4 tastes present in the food that we take inside. The first one is the bitter. ಕಹಿಯಾದ ಅನುಭವ, ಕಹಿ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು, ಆಹಾರ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳು, that is bitter. Then sweet, ಸಿಹಿಯಾದ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳು, sour, ಸಪ್ಪೆ ಆದಂಥದ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ಸೋರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. Then salt, ಉಪ್ಪಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳು. So there are 4 tastes present in your food, that is the bitter taste, sweet taste, sour taste, and the salt taste. So there are 4 tastes present. The next point is the organ of sense of taste are called taste buds. So the organs of sense of taste, the organs which recognize the taste are called taste buds, which are present in the tongue. In the tongue region, there are 3 types of sense taste organs are present. I have given the figure, and these taste buds, they are called as taste buds, and these taste buds, they recognize the sense of taste in the tongue. Next point, the tongue is covered by mucous membrane of epithelium with numerous papillae-like structures in which taste buds are present with chemoreceptors or sensory receptors. Chemoreceptors or the sensory receptors, which are called as taste cells, are present in the numerous papillae-like structures. Papillae-like structures present on the tongue. Next point, the taste buds are situated most densely at the tip sides of the and the base side of the tongue. At the tip side and the base side and the lateral side of the tongue, the taste buds are present. There are 3 types of taste buds. There are 3 types of papillae. Papillae are present. There are 3 types. The first one is vallet papillae. This is the first one, vallet papillae, which is present behind the tongue, that is the posterior part of the tongue. The second one is the fungiform, which are distributed on the tongue. And the third is filiform papillae, which are present at the lateral side of the tongue. So three types of papillae are present: vallet papillae, fungiform papillae, and filiform papillae. When I was explaining the digestive system, I have told you about the tongue, the structure and the functions of the tongue. At the posterior side, the mucous membrane of tongue shows with lymphoid nodes located on each side, that is palatine tonsils and lingual tonsils. Palatine, tonsil and lingual tonsils are present on the posterior part of the tongue. On the posterior side, the mucous membrane of the tongue shows lymphoid nodes. They are called as lymphoid nodes. Lymphoid nodes. The two are called palatine tonsil and the lingual tonsils are called lymphoid nodes. Located on the each side of the palatine, that is palatine tonsil and the lingual tonsil, which fight with germs and protect infection. The main function of these lymphoid nodes is to fight against the germs and protect infection. The food that we take inside the buccal cavity contains the germs, microorganisms, bacteria and viruses, and these are killed by these nodes. They are the lymphoid nodes called as palatine and lingual tonsils. Now coming to the vallet papillae, the first one, the vallet papillae, they are also called circumvallate papillae, about 10 in number and drum-shaped, easily visible with the naked eye since they are largest. They are largest papillae, they can be seen with the naked eye, and they are drum-shaped, and they are also called as circumvallate papillae. Circumvallate papillae. Circumvallate papillae. Point number 2, they are arranged at the base of the tongue posteriorly. They are arranged at the base of the tongue, inside the tongue. They are arranged. Each papillae is surrounded by a trench and contain the taste buds. Each papillae surrounds with a trench, and here the taste buds are present. A trench is there and the buds are in the center. Fungiform papillae, they are red, mushroom-shaped papillae and located mainly around the tip and edges of the tongue. Fungiform, they are present on the tip and the edges of the tongue. They are more numerous than vallet papillae. They are more in number than vallet papillae. Scattered on the tongue with taste buds. They are scattered on the tongue. Filiform papillae, they are conical in shape, most numerous, smallest papillae occur throughout the anterior two-thirds of the tongue. Anterior two-thirds of the tongue is occupied by the filiform papillae, which are conical in shape, smallest and numerous, means they are more in number. They do not contain taste buds, but they roughen the surface of the tongue and provide grip to the food during chewing. These papillae do not contain the taste buds. The taste buds are present in valid and the fungiform papillae. Whereas in filiform papillae, the taste buds are not present, but there is a work for that also. They roughen, they make the tongue rough. The surface of the tongue is roughened and provide the grip. It provides the grip to the food during chewing. During chewing, the food is gripped under the upper and lower jaw, and this is by roughening of the surface of the tongue, which is by filiform papillae. Now coming to the taste bud, it has layers of cells and looks like onion under microscope with layered appearance. So this looks like an onion which have a layer of cells inside. Layers of cells, and just like onion, ನೀರುಳ್ಳಿ ಕಂಡಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀರುಳ್ಳಿ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. So these cells are present, number different types of cells are present in the taste buds inside, and it look like an onion under the microscope when we see under the microscope. Point number 2, taste buds are small barrel shaped structures arranged along the sides of the grooves of valid and fungiform papillae. So they are arranged in the valid and fungiform papillae, and these taste buds are barrel shaped. They are barrel shaped in structure. There are two types of cells present in the taste buds. The two types of cells are supporting or sustentacular cells. Sustentacular cells. Supporting cells. The one is enough. These are the supporting cells, and the second one is the taste cell, which are the receptor cell. And second one, neuroepithelial taste cell or receptor cell. Neuroepithelial taste cell. It is called as neuroepithelial taste cell or receptor cell. There is a pit called taste pore near the surface of the bud. This is the taste pore. A small hole is there, or the pore is there at the anterior side, and it is called the pit or the taste pore. The neuroepithelial cells are surrounded by supporting cells, and their free ends lying near taste pore have hairs. These are hair. Taste hairs are present on the taste cell. The free end of the taste cell near the upper end have the hair. Any substance to be tasted gets dissolved in saliva and pass through the taste pore. The food taken inside the buccal cavity is mixed with the mucous membrane, or the saliva, which passes through the taste pore, inside into the pit of the taste bud, where it stimulates the hairs of the taste cells, which are richly innervated with the branches of glossopharyngeal, facial and vagus of cranial nerve fibers. So vagus and the cranial nerve fibers, they enter inside and they are stimulated by the taste. They are stimulated by the hairs of the taste, which are richly innervated with branches of glossopharyngeal. The first one is glossopharyngeal, and second facial, and the third is vagus. So these are the three nerve fibers which are present in the taste bud and which are stimulated by the hairs and the taste. The nerve fibers. So here a nerve impulse is generated. Nerve impulse is generated and conducted along the nerve fiber to the brain where it is perceived. Means it is detected. The nerve takes the impulse to the brain and recognizes the taste, whether it is sour, salt, bitter or sweet. So all these four tastes are recognized by the nerve fibers, glossopharyngeal nerves, facial nerves and the vagus nerves which enter inside the taste bud, and these taste buds recognize they send the impulses towards the nerve fibers and they take to the brain, and where it is recognized or pursued, it is pursued. So it gives the instructions. If it is sour, then it gives instructions to throw out the food outside. If it is sweet, then we enjoy the food. So like that, the taste buds are the sense organs present in the tongue region. So this is all about the tongue. Today it is enough. Tomorrow we are going to study about the nose, which is a sense of smell, sense organ of the smell, the nose. How it senses the smell. We take the smell inside and we recognize which type of cell it is. If it is a foul cell, bad cell, a bad smell or good smell, all these things can be sensorized by the nose. And tomorrow we are going to study about the nose. Thank you very much.